the point. She just wants happiness, but emotions disappoint. She blames herself, it drives her mad for every single little trouble that she's ever had. The pain she endures, you can see it through her shirt, bearing the scars of society's burns.
No more pain, no more tears. There's no need to cry no more, there's nothing left to fear. No more pain, no more tears. You don't need to lie no more, cause now you know
She hides herself, no one hears her cries. If only you could see the world through her eyes. All she wanted is one little friend to stick by her till the very end. She didn't ask for a lot, in fact nothing at all. Yeah, she would still hit around and call her fool. She didn't wanna fight, she just wanted some love. When she was lonely, just one hug, and to feel like she was accepted instead of pushed around, left out and rejected. You gotta stay strong, nothing lasts forever. You are never alone, we'll do this together.
no more pain, no more tears. There's no need to cry no more, there's nothing left to fear. No more pain, no more tears. You don't need to lie no more, cause now you know
She can't take no
it.
more, she's taken enough. She's been strong for so long, but she ain't that tough. Scared of letting go and no one seems to care. Scared to carry on, cause there's no one there.